Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you struggling to grow your TikTok following? Do you want to know how to get 1,000 real followers in just a few clicks? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple yet effective strategy that will help you boost your TikTok followers fast. And the best part, it only takes a few clicks. I'll be walking you through the process step by step, so even if you're new to TikTok, you'll be able to follow along. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start getting more real followers on TikTok. So, let's get started. Here are the steps on how to get 1,000 real followers on TikTok in a few clicks. First, open the TikTok app and copy the link to your profile. Next, click on Edit Profile. Then click on your TikTok username to open it in any browser. Search for Social Booster on Google and click on the link to open socialbooster.me. This is a social media marketing panel that lets you buy TikTok followers, likes, views, comments, and shares. Choose the followers option, then select the package you want to buy. You can choose between real or fake followers as well as followers from specific countries. For example, you can select Quick Real Followers and order 1,000 followers. Paste the link to your TikTok profile and check the package details, such as the start time, speed, and price. Enter your email address and credit card details to place the order. Make sure to leave a valid email address to confirm your order. Wait for about 30 minutes for your order to be processed and for the followers to start coming in. Check your TikTok profile after 30 minutes to see if you have gained any new followers. Enjoy your new followers and repeat the process if you want to get more followers. To note, keep in mind that buying followers is not a guaranteed way to gain popularity on TikTok. It's important to create engaging content and interact with your audience to build a loyal following organically. That's it for today's video. Click like and subscribe for more. Bye!